After more than 20 years of rapid development of plastic wood composites with their unique environmental advantages, after the current bottleneck period, the next step is bound to high efficiency, high performance, high quality direction. As far as common plastic and wood composites are concerned, the production efficiency of extrusion in China is generally low, with an average extrusion speed of less than 1 meter per minute. The improvement of production efficiency can be started from the stability of raw materials, the optimization of formulations, and the equipment. The important thing is the improvement of extrusion equipment and process, which is key to production efficiency. Our customers are also able to increase their productivity significantly by using dual-chamber extrusion, dual-chamber online embossing, dual-chamber hull-up, and dual-chamber automatic cutting.